刚刚用他的直播，我的小可爱，结果它过热，播不了了。这一只这么小只，你们应该猜得出来它是什么时候的 iPhone 吧？就是很可爱的小 iPhone 这样。它过热播不下去了，所以呢，我就跳出。那等一下哦，我们刚刚在讲歌词，讲到 dime 对吧
？dime。
好，就是说，我忘记 sound check 了，我们来 sound check 好吗 ？sound check， 以免我白用功了，好不好 ？sound check， 扫射，特别是，突然硬要，
那怎么办呢？我家是这样子的家庭
等下，这不对。1233211234567765432，让我做一个 sound check，OK？、I want to do my sound check. Can I speak like this, or I need to change my words?
1233211。
Okay, so the website is, how do I say it? The website is work. So I want to check on my phone. I know my English speaking skill needs to improve, so I am practice very hard. How do you think? Did I practice hard, or I need to practice harder and harder? Did I need to listening or watching maybe English news or English movie, English song, maybe it will help, right? Okay. I have a lot of time in my home. I just speak English. My EX. How to say EX? Wow, My internet is very slow now. My gosh. Very, very, very slow. Oh. Okay, so I check my sound on my phone. Okay. But the internet is very, very, very slow. So I need some time. Wow. Unbelievable. It's very, 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 very slow. Wow. Just like turtle. Okay, because I don't know how to say 树懒 in English. How to say 树懒, okay? I also don't know how to say 瓜牛 in English. Sorry. I need to improve my, is that vocabulary? Is that correct or I'm wrong? Vocabulary, right? Sorry. Okay, I can do my sound check now. Okay, because I One, two, three, three, two, one. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, hello, test, test. Sound check, sound check. Sound set, sound set. Okay, it's very well. So, okay, I just said I have a time just speak English in my home. And my AX, how to say it? Okay. I forgot to turn on my volume. Is that volume? Sorry, my English. Need to be better, right?
X.
X. Just X?
X.
Okay, so my X will speak English to me too, so we speak English in the home. But his English not very well, so we just talking about very simple conversation. So my English skill is not improved too much, but I am practice hardly because I want to speak English as well as who just I want to be sorry, I need to check.
Fluent.
Fluent. I want to speak fluent English. I want to say English just like Jackson Wang. Why I said Jackson Wang? Because today I use voice to be. I practice my English skill, and voice to be have a test. Just wait. We need to hear the videos English, and we need to put the words on the correct side, just like this. Wait a minute.